If you searched how to buy shares of Extreme Networks Inc., this quick guide will help. Extreme Networks builds cloud-driven networking hardware and software and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker EXTR. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy EXTR, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EXTR to find Extreme Networks. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listed result for the correct company. On the stock page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to check recent performance. Confirm the company name and the EXTR ticker are shown to ensure it's the right asset. Click the buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review order details such as order type and fees, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the exact eToro link and more resources, check the description below.